Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn skip counting of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let's we start. We will first write down counting up to 50. Today we are going to learn only counting up to 50 and tomorrow we will learn next. So let's we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Let's we start. Skip counting of 2. Skip counting of 2. First we will jump on 2, left 1. Because these are skip counting of 2. We will jump on 2. Now we have left one number and again we left after 2 one number. So we will jump on 4. Again we left after 4 one number. We will jump 6. We will jump on 8. We will jump on 10. On 12 and then 14. Then 16. Then 18. Then 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Now we will write down separately 2, 4, skip counting, counting 2. How to write? Where these digits we have circled, we will write only these digits, these numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 41, 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50. Now these are in skip counting of 2. Now we will learn skip counting of 3. Skip counting of 3. Now start. Again we will write counting up to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Now, how to do the skip counting of 3? Skip counting of 3. So, we will jump. We will jump on 3. Now, how many numbers are left? 2. 1, 2. After 3, we will left 2 numbers, 4 and 5. So, we will jump on 6. After 6, we have to left 2 numbers, 7 and 8, and we will jump on 9. Then 12. Then we will left 2 numbers after 12, 13 and 14, and we will jump on 15. Again, we left 2 numbers after 15, 16 and 17. We will jump on 18. 19 and 20 we will left. We will jump on 21. 23 and 22 and 23 we left. We will jump on 24. 25 and 26 we left. We will jump on 27. 28, 29 we left. Jump on 30. 31 and 32 we left, jump on 33. 34 and 35 we left, jump on 36. 37 and 38 we left, jump on 39. 40 and 41 we left, jump on 42. 43 and 44 we left, jump on 45. 46 and 47 we left, jump on 48. Now we will write skip counting of 3 separately. With numbers we have circled, we will write these numbers. Skip counting of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, then 24, then 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45 and 48. Now these are the skip counting of 3. These numbers are in skip counting of 3, skip counting of 2. So students, I hope you have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.